Alright Fiat fans, I know this is the review you've all been waiting for, and you can tell it's a gift from Bob, because it comes in a Motul box. And I really shouldn't call it a gift, because he didn't give me these. I had to pay for them myself, which is fine by me. This is not a sponsored review. I just really like Bob a lot. I think he has cool products for the Fiat crowd. Well, the box is coming open. Don't prematurely unbox yourself. What we have is the Abarth occupational shoes. It's cool, it has a little lobster logo here. I wonder what they mean by occupational shoes. I guess casual shoes are something completely different to Italians. And check that out, Abarth officially licensed. It has a cool Abarth hologram here too. This is the model AB0002BK, size 44, made in China. Well, let's get this thing open. Has a cool little Abarth in the top, and the lobsters on the bottom too. Overall, a nice box. That's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see down in there, it's got like a Abarth logo down the bottom too. And of course it's got Abarth logos on the tongues. It says Abarth down the side, little Italian flag, Abarth in the back. Now this is kind of cool. The tread pattern looks kind of like tires. And you'll be leaving scorpions everywhere you walk too. Take the little foam pluggies out. Hey, you know, I don't really know that much about shoes, but it seems like they're reasonably well made. It's a nice synthetic mesh material, and this is, I don't know, I think that might be real leather. You tell me. And it's got suede everywhere else. It's actually a sharp looking shoe. I'm definitely worried how long I'll be able to keep these laces white, and also this as well. This sidewall is gonna get dinged up pretty quickly, I think. Like I say, I'm not a shoe guy. I'm not very good at keeping these sort of things clean. But let's get them tried on. All right, not too bad. They definitely fit good, so I assume I picked the sizing correctly. I don't really know anything about European sizing, but you know, there you go. They have a little bit of a cushion to the bottom of them. Not too bad. I mean, they're no New Balance, but you know, it'll do. And they actually come in a couple other different colors. There's a really nice looking gray pair. On the website, I thought the grays looked really great, but I went with the black and red because that actually matches my Abarth. But there's some blue ones also that look quite fetching. I don't know, I might have to get another pair. Probably pick up a pair of those gray ones. Well, I don't know what else to say in their shoes. I'm just gonna wear them and enjoy them. So give us a thumbs up, it really helps the channel out. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.